Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the audio specification in your Bentley GT Continental. To do this operation, of course, you have to go to your system, and there is the button named Audio. So when you haven't been in audio system, there you can choose, of course, your radio or something like that, but there is option DSP, so click on it, and there you have plenty of option of your sound character. You can choose the sound character which you want to get on your Bentley. Yeah, that's it. In this case, I don't show you the music because YouTube can be extracted by my music. So there is only option as a surround. You can put sorry, you can put the loudness here, option dynamic compression and effect from the surround, from normal low to high of the surround of your audio. And after that, if you select something, just go back and your audio now will be much better sound quality, like for now. Yep, that's it, the radio. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!